Today we're going to work on my daughter's 2011 Ford Fusion. Complains about the headlights being dim all the time. They're just the standard headlights. Uh, I shot a little video the other night of me driving it. And you don't have very good visibility, especially back here on the back roads where we live. So I'm going to change them out to some LEDs that I ordered on Amazon. So give these a shot and see how well they work. Of course, they're advertised to work pretty good. See quite a bit of difference. It's supposed to be pretty easy to change out. See. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll go out and shoot another video in the same location and show the same, how bright they are. We'll do a side-by-side comparison and see if it was worth it. These were $20. You don't know, what they say. Pay what you get. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, we'll give them a try, and hopefully they work out. All right. All right, I've never changed any bulbs on this car. Let's see how hard it's going to be to get in there and change them out. Yeah, it made for tiny hands apparently. Alrighty, this is going to be fun. Yep. Trying to see what I can pull out of the way, maybe. Get to it. Little piece here. Make sure I'm pulling the front bulb. Let's check which bulb is the headlight. Standard headlight there. Alright. Now we know. Alright. Start getting our hands in here and see what we can do. Bring one of these cameras down here closer so y'all can see. cover down right down in here. You may pull some of the plastics off and get further down in there. Of course, this piece of plastic is what has the lever that holds up the hood. Probably not a good piece of plastic to remove. So I had to go and actually look it up a little bit, but it looks like gotta get in way up in here over a boot. I'm sure I can see that. There we go, got that popped off. Set that aside. Now, you don't really get a chance to look in there. You just gotta kind of feel. I love that kind of stuff. There you go. Got that bulb out. So, wasn't too easy, wasn't too hard, but you just gotta work your arm up in there. And set that aside. New kit. Even these fancy gloves, I probably should wear them so I don't screw up these little Chinese hands. Yeah, feels special. Got my fancy gloves on. Okay, now you can see these compare the connector. Connector seems to be the same. I'll connect that in there and then twist that bulb in there. Bulbs has the same connections there. So looks like it should go right in there. We'll first try to get this bulb in there. Get down there. Get that wire out of the way. Alright, and there, put her plugged together, clip together, just nice. You can stuff all that wire inside that housing, and put the boot back on it. Alright, so really not that bad. Alright, I'm going to turn the lights on and look at the difference. And yeah, that looks to be quite a bit brighter from this angle. So yeah, hopefully tonight when we get test drive it, we'll really notice the difference. All right, I like the color too, man. Okay. We'll move back over here. From what I was reading, I'm going to remove these bolts here, remove that pressure fluid. 10 mil here. So they said just lift up out of here. Well, this isn't washer fluid. I believe the guy referred to it as washer fluid, but it looks like radiator overflow, so I do not want to disconnect anything out of it. And we'll try to hold it up out of the way and get to this boot. There we go. Tore my fancy glove already. Getting oil all over it. Probably not what you're supposed to do. Alright, I can't get my both hands down there to get a hold of that deal. Get a hold of that plug, so I'm going to use a pick, try to reach down there and up that plug. Yeah. Now we come. Okay. Now, hopefully, the sucker goes in there pretty easy. And there's no good way to do this. I can't believe Ford made it this hard to get to a headlamp. Not like these things ever go out or anything. Nobody wants to ever upgrade. Yeah. Alright. I'm like glad I don't have fat hands. Because man, if I did. Skinny hands, long fingers. It's really hard to do this one-handed. That's really what you gotta do though. There we go. There's a little snap. It's all clipped in. Shove the wires back in there. Both sides seem to be clipped in. The wires shoved in there, have myself this boot. And we put the boot back on. Okay. Now, was not hard, just awkward. Just remember, if you ever need to change a bulb for fusion, to have a deep socket, 10 mil or 10 mil wrench, to be able to take this one off. Probably not doing that in the Walmart parking lot. Alright. Now we'll just wait till dark and we'll take it out for a test drive. But I think that'll make a difference. They look pretty good. So hopefully she can see better with those. Alright, and I'll put a link down below for what I used. If they turn out good. If they don't turn out good, well, I may still link them, just not, you'll just know which ones not to get. So, alright, hope y'all enjoy. As you can see, there really wasn't any improvement in the distance we're getting out of these headlights, but we are getting a little clearer, wider light, I prefer, but we may have to see if there's maybe some kind of adjustment on the actual headlight assembly and get us a little bit more distance out of it. But if you liked this video, please subscribe and like the video, give us a thumbs up, and maybe we can come out with another video just in the headlights. All right, thank you.